sir. What you do, just like back in there or something?
But yeah, this is.
God damn.
I'll get down there.
You gonna boil eggs?
See if I can turn around here. The basket, you will catch a long one, but they just ain't real girthy.
What you're saying, I'd catch a 20-inch bass before I caught a 5-pound bass?
Yeah.
What about a 20-inch 5-pound bass?
Hmm?
I said, what about a 20-inch 5-pound bass?
I don't know. It's a big one.
You snagged already.
Wow.
I'm snagged. Dude, come on.
I'm pissed, dude. I'm pissed. I fucking cast it out like this. My line just went over a little bit. Then I ripped it out, and then I got another snag. I ain't getting it.
Whoa, dude, chill. I'm snagged again. There we go. I was stuck on some oh, there it is. Oh, he came off. And he took my worm. You gotta be kidding me.
Damn.
He's a little guy. That was my only small worm. I gotta go for these big ones.
Well, I thought I got here. Check these out real quick.
I ain't trying to move. I'm gonna fall off this freaking boat. So I got some longer logs. Let me throw one of these big sinkers for a minute. If not, I'll switch to that one. Try me a lunker log. So I've yet to catch a fish on one of these. There it is. Ah! Come on. Come on, Dale. Don't be shy now. Don't be shy now, my guy.
Oh, yeah, they bite everything. One day I came down here to freaking.
You guys just missed that. We were moving. I just had my worm gliding on top of the water. And this turtles. And I just had my worm gliding on top of the water, and he came up and just smashed it. I wish I'd have had that on video. Man, I wish I'd have had that on video. That was cool. That was real cool. That's a nice fish. That is a real nice fish. Man, I wish I could have got that on video. That was cool. What do you want to do? Catch bluegill now? Oh, did you really catch a bluegill on that? That's crazy. I wish my camera was facing you. I should have turned around.
Yeah,
That's cool. That's a big bluegill, dude. That's like perfect eating size.
Oh my god, you don't want to see how I fucking hooked him.
What'd you do? Snag him? Or did you get him good?
Oh yeah, we might have to kill it. Nope, never mind. Nice.
I gotta hit these weeds.
I swear to God, it was through there. It was sticking out his eye. You asshole. We're already off to a better start than the main weekend back here. That's crazy that it's full of bluegill.
I thought these were turtles, but
I know, it was all, dude, there was like,
so many bubbles, I thought it was turtles.
there was like 3 times. Look, there's something going on over there.
I love the smell of fucking bass, dude. You got one? Nice little bass, huh? Bluegill.
Oh my god, look at that thing.
Dude, that thing's a chunk. Let me see that. Bring it here. Let me show the camera. Oh my god. Look at that. That's a chunk of a bluegill. Oh my god.
Look at the color of that.
That is cool. Dude, that's like monstrous.
Alright, like fighting again. Ryan, I got a big one.
My god, dude.
Dude, this, I never seen one with blue fins like that.
I forget what kind of bluegill that actually is called. You know, there's like 5 different types of bluegill or something like that.
Yeah, bluegill, sunfish.
Yeah.
At least I know the bluegill like this thing. Hell yeah, I thought it was a little bass.
Dude, we gotta come down here and do a bluegill catch, clean, and cook.
Well, yeah, dude, you come down.
Bass. Let's go, baby.
There you go.
No, decent one. A decent one. Really? Is it the same one?
Nah, this one's look at the color on that one. Though. Get them all hooked up.
First time I ever caught a fish on some lunker logs. I swear. Dude, I was doubting them. I was really doubting them. Let's try this on. Dude, if a bee comes flying out here, I'm telling you, we're going in. I'm telling you, we'll be swimming back to shore. I want to fish over by them cattails.
Where, over this way or down there?
That way.
Oh,
I want to try.
they hit down there good.
Do they?
That's probably the best spot.
We're going to end up getting down there?
Oh, yeah. We'll go all the way. We'll be fishing until the fucking rain.
These bass hit hard. I keep thinking I'm snagged. They actually fight pretty good over here. Dark, but I can see. On. Ooh. Yeah, another decent one, I guess. Put your fins away, my guy. What, the fish?
Yeah, does that have a trike in that?
Little guy. There's another one sitting right there. I see him. Oh, it's a bluegill. It's almost time for a new worm. Might get one more fish out of it. It's tearing. Dude, I love worms. Like, everyone's like, oh, that's too easy. Dude, I like catching fish. Right there, I told you I'd get him. Oh, you on it? You on it? Oh, no, he got my worm. Told you. 10 years. On. Am I? I thought I was. Am I? Yeah. Ooh, dude, he's fighting hard. Aw. I thought I was on. He's just so small I couldn't feel him. No, decent. You on?
Yeah.
Bass?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bass.
Yeah, I need to lose my fucking drive, though. I'm losing
Brandon's hooked up. First bass of the day, boy. That's decent. Eh.
fucking bug. Yeah, keep casting for it. Okay.
Something just jumped up over there again. That's what I was going to, but I was just waiting till you. Yeah, that's where I had that, caught that one at.
When I caught the same one, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to say it's the same one, we'd say the same one. Mine's a little bit smaller, but he could have grew when I threw him back in, you know.
They got crazy with it. I'm glad to see a bass roll between the four. That's not bad.
It's getting windy. We're about to get some white caps out here. We're gonna be riding waves. Bass fishing's always good before the storm. You hear that wind? Look at them trees up here, dude. Come on.
It's like it's coming, man. Yeah, it's like a damn tornado.
Dude, look at them trees. Oh my God. What are we doing? Where are we swimming? Shit. Oh my God.
Man, that weather's turning rough, though. I thought that fucking
So you hear Brandon caught his, we're done. We're gonna hit them cattails back here though. We'll get close, we'll be close to the banks. If anything happens, we can just.
Yeah, cast out a couple times down in that corner.
This corner.
Yeah, they sit down in this corner. I don't think it's very much special for fucking weight.
Dude, we're about to get some white caps going. Dude, the wind's taking me. Look at this. Shoo. Dude, it's about to. Dude, that weather changed real quick. You feel the temperature? Are you? Hold on, I'm trying to catch your bit. Where's my lure? Is there some fish back? The fish hang out back here? Alright. We're good for now, my guy. We're good. Jesus God. You gonna pull me through the windshield. Huh? Is bass over here like current? A good time to throw a spinner. Bass on, baby. Let's go. In the storm. Little guy, little guy. Barely. Deep sea fish in the middle of Pennsylvania. Huh? Who said you can't fish the ocean in the middle of Pennsylvania? Whoa, I didn't cast there. We'll try it though. Oh no, no. Bass. Ah. You let go. Is he on? He's on? He's on. Another small one. Wow, he's not even fighting. Come on, my guy. Flip. You on. Ow! Ass wipe. You on? Yeah. Nice one. Sounds like it. It's a decent one. I can't, how do you want me to do? Turn my whole body? Brandon's hooked up again. So it's time for new war. Dude, whoa, dude, where are we going? I don't know. Where are we going? You got fish up? Yeah, I think that one. That's a nice one. I would show him, but you know, I can't turn around. Cool. Well, guys, this episode of Fishing in the Amazon, I'm over here in the cattails. I'll just cast out this way. Brandon's hooked up on a nice one. On a nice. Let me see if I can turn this around. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. I don't know if you guys seen that. No.
Might as well start calling me Captain.
Captain?
Moving over his legs.
Sir, Captain Brandon. My hooked up. Ooh, he's fighting good. He's not even big, but he's fighting good. Come on, no, we ain't going down. We're going up. Dude, that one has nice color. Real nice color on this one. Come on, dude, chill. That one's nice. He has real pretty colors. Yeah. Why, do you want me to keep it? Catch, clean, cook? You said this spot was the juice. We just caught 3. About to be a 4th right here. You on? You got him. I was gonna say, I seen that. That was nice.
What else on here?
I don't think you can catch one any smaller than that, Brandon. Ow, dick. Let me show him your wall hanger. Look at his wall hanger. Look at that. Ooh! Where you going, my guy? What's the backstory of this pond?
It's an old coke up and runoff.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Like shore?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, fuck, no. Go to shore. Yo, this your friend is friggin' wet.
Man, that's another full of them damn blue hell.
Oh my god.
Alright, I better go to school.
Oh, shit. Did you see that lightning? Dude, we're in a metal boat on water. I told you give me the other paddle. I'd have helped you. Like, yeah, fish the bank on the way down. I'll probably get snagged like you did earlier.
I got snagged up in the tree.
Yeah, and I got snagged over here in the water. Watch it just spit. Watch, we'll get back to your house and it won't fucking pour at all.
I'll have it done like that.
You'll get the Dunlap and it'll be fucking Twister.
Yeah. Every people out there thirsty.
Alright, Brad, I think it's time to row.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. Oh shit, this way. Huh? Come on, Brandon. Dude, I do when the paddle is not 2.5 foot long. Oh, come on. Every time, dude. Every single time. Dude, come on, it's forward. Oh, come on, dude. No. This way. Oh.
Hold up, no good, yeah.
Yeah, I said she's raining. Think we could have waited her out on the water, eh?
I do need to flip that boat over.
Well, folks, there you have it. Watch out.